Good morning, everybody. Good morning. I hope you all having a great morning, guys. What is up, chat? What is up? Boy, Pablo in the house. Jessica, Ango, 6409. What is going on? Good morning, chat. Boy, Pablo, yo, Boy, Pablo, man, it's been a long time. I haven't seen you in a freaking years. Where have you been? Where have you been, Boy, Pablo? Mustafa, what is up, man? Not really a good morning. What happened? You all having a great day so far? Grinding my way up to 235. Oh my god, guys, don't even remind me of Tradify, man. They resetted my account twice, and I'm like, you know what? I had enough of that crap.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled. 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 Order
Oh my
filled.
god, mistake. All right, Mo. That was a mistake. I wanted to cancel my order, but then I kept adding. All right, I want to quickly finish off my Apex accounts because these are obviously, as you guys know, a payout accounts. So I want to be a bit careful with the way I trade.
Order filled. Order filled. Order submit. Order filled. Submitted. Order filled. Order filled. Order submit. Order filled. Order submitted. Order canceled. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted.
All right, guys, just bear with me. I'm just trying to finish off
filled.
this trading on these accounts. Just bear with me, everybody. James Kim, good morning. What is up, brother? Michael Tran in the house, man. Yeah, Boy Pablo, take a break, yeah.
Order filled. Order submitted.
Good morning, Alfred. How's it going? How's your day so far? All right. My day really hasn't changed. There's a little bit of oh my god, 1 second, guys. There's a little bit of change on my account status, so I've got to get that updated.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Yeah, there's definitely something going on with Tradovate, man. I had the same problem this morning, and on top of that, I lost an account because I was trading mini contracts instead of micro, man. I keep making these mistakes over and over again. That's I think the problem when you keep flipping between micro and mini contracts. It's always really nice to kind of stick to one sort of a instrument, because I keep going back and forth. I get really confused, and then I end up trading mini contracts instead of micro. And I'm like already in like 4 or 5 mini contracts. You guys know what that means, right? This market in this market volatility, that gets smoked pretty hard, pretty fast. Boy Pablo, you're in green right now. Nice, man. Yeah, take it easy, bro. You're green. Let's close the week strong. It's the last trading day of the week, guys. Absolutely no reason to wreck your accounts and have a bad start to the weekend. It's really the last thing I want to do is like have a bad weekend, you know what I mean? And every time it does that, when I get into some bad trading week, the weekend is never good.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Order.
Oh my god, I just can't get over 50 bucks, man. What the heck is going on, guys? This is unreal.
Order submitted.
All right, we'll try again.
Order filled.
Order filled. Oh my god. We are pretty close to that 755. That's obviously a major level of support. And then if that breaks, then we go all the way back down into the 500s, guys. And that 500 is a pretty far off from where we are right now, like 250 points away from where we are. So this market really truly has to get a bounce. So I'm going to look for a quick bounce here and try to close my position so I can kind of wait and see what this market's going to do. Because I think it's kind of like pretty risky to kind of try to get into a trade, long or short both, right? At this level here, 755, it's a pretty significant level. Once you crack underneath that, this could flush all the way back down into the 600s, right? That's literally about 100 points away from where we are now. So gotta be not the right spot to kind of get into a trade. But I'm hearing this. Am I losing my... Oh my god, you've got to be kidding, guys. Oh, Mochaccino.
Order.
Alright, guys, I did that trade. Oh my god, thank god. At least I was able to exit that trade, which is great. Now, you have Combine Pass and Top Step, but you don't have the $145. Oh man, I was there, bro. I you know, it's tough. It's tough. You got the funds to pay for the eval, but then it's like when it gets to the funded stage, you gotta pay for the activation. It really becomes very pricey. Yeah. That's why you gotta wait for payout on something else, and then if you lock in some profits on the existing accounts, that's when you load in an eval on your combine, and then that way you can kind of pay for your activation.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled. Order filled.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Looks like we are getting a bounce because we're hitting that ceiling there. Let's see if we get a break out of that level now. And we actually did break out. Let's see if we hold now, right? Let's see if we hold. Yeah, we could get a short that kept bounce too, so I wouldn't be surprised if we do that.
Order
filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order.
Order filled.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Yeah, I'm gonna have a hard stop here at 825 just in case you get a bounce back up again, like right up here in this area, guys. Again, hit my entry, guys, man. This is the thing that I hate the most, is every time I hit my entry and then it gets a bounce. But again, I'm gonna try and stay calm and cool today.
Order
filled.
Order
filled.
Oh, there
Order
we go,
filled.
guys, man. I guess I don't need my entry.
Order
filled.
All right, guys. Nice.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Nice.
Order filled.
Order filled.
All right, fellow traders. There's my final take profit now taking place.
Order filled.
There we go, guys. There we go. So yeah, so this is done now. Let's do another account. Yeah, it looks pretty bearish, eh? Overall, this market is just, oh my god. Puchimuchi, everybody. I think I'm most probably just better off try to short the bounce, guys. If I try to long, we could easily get like 100 points pulled back pretty quickly. So, you know, it's pretty risky to kind of do that.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Really, I think at this point, it's almost really kind of better off do that. The current trades, man, there's no giveaway, man. What are you talking about, brother? What are you talking about? How did it enter? Oh my god. Guys, man, we gotta focus on our trades. Forget the giveaways for now. Focus on our trades to get the payouts, right? And then the giveaways is for fun. This cannot be something that you keep thinking about. As a true trader, you have to really try to think about how are you going to get into better trades? What is your game plan for today? You know what I mean? That's what it's supposed to be, right?
Order canceled.
Really. As much as I love to offer you a free account, you as a trader, if you want this trading journey to last for much longer, you have to really start to change your mindset, right? It's really all about what is your game plan coming into this morning, how you're gonna get into your trades, how you're gonna manage your accounts, how you're gonna get into your profits, right? How you're gonna manage your risk, and then how you're gonna get into a payout, and how you're gonna complete the day, how you're gonna finish the day, and what are you kind of looking for, right? That's how you become a good trader, guys. All right, so here we are, guys. I've got one micro to just kind of like test the water here at this point, but honestly, I kind of feel like we're probably just better off trying to short this market on a pop here. I'm gonna try and short this pop, and I'm gonna exit my trade right up at 8:15. Right, that's probably a good area to kind of like try to get stopped out, just in case I get squeezed. So yeah, we're getting a pullback now, which I kind of feel like maybe get a little bounce back into the 790s. I mean, I don't think the market is gonna keep flushing down, even though we had leg 1, leg 2, and leg 3 down. I do kind of feel like, you know, we do get the leg down, the leg 4. That could be the last final flush down, right, today. I do expect some kind of a little bounce, right? I mean, we've been just pulling back right from the start this morning, so all right, guys, let's see if we get a little pop here in this market now, and then look for a push
Order
down.
submitted.
And that's what I'm going to be looking for now anyways. You're challenging with only 5 micros.
Order
Yeah,
filled.
so look at this bounce, guys. We are getting a bounce. I gotta be a little bit careful. Sometimes this bounce could be violent, right? In both sides, man. Long and short could actually end up getting cooked as well.
Order.
All right, guys, I'm
filled.
gonna quickly try and take my
Order
profit.
submitted.
Let's see if we get a little.
Order
Oh man,
Order.
Order filled.
all right, exit
Order
that. Well, not I
canceled.
didn't exit that trade. I downsized, thinking we get a little pop here. Oh my
Order
god, this could be a
submitted.
tough one. The tough battle, guys. See,
Order
look at
Order
that
filled.
pop, guys. I knew it. Right, that's the problem. We could get a dead cat bounce here for all you know. So,
Order. Order
all
canceled.
right, guys, I'm just gonna leave it there for now.
Order canceled.
Oh yeah, this is an important account, so yeah, we just actually broke out. Let's see if we kind of hold this. It does look like we want to hold this now, but I don't know.
Order.
Order filled.
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 Order submitted. Order submit. Order submit. Order submitted. Order filled.
Order filled.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order
Order filled.
Order
Order filled.
I guess I'm down to 6. I'm
Order
looking for a
Order
quick
filled.
pullback down, but this could be a risky trade for all you know. Yeah, looks
Order
Order filled.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled.
Order filled.
Order
Order filled.
all right, guys. I'm down to
Order
3 now, so I'm
canceled.
just gonna hold this
Order submitted.
and see what happens with this market. So far, we're kind of like hitting that resistance zone now, 805. So we're gonna have to wait and see how this kind of play out. We may get a little push up, but I don't know if this push up is gonna kind of hold. It could be kind of short lived, so I'm not expecting a huge, massive
Order
bounce.
filled.
Oh my God, look
Order
at that, guys, Mochaccino.
Order
Order filled.
That Mochaccino pullback was real. There we go, guys. All right, so I got my
Order
trade.
submitted.
I got what I need on this account. Maybe I'll look for one more flush down if I can. There we go, guys. We'll see that. Let's see if we get a little more flush down. I'm just gonna leave this account
Order
now.
canceled.
Place my hard
Order
stop here
submitted.
in that 782, guys. Adam and Eve. as soon I don't even know how to pronounce you guys' names, man. I don't know why YouTube actually changed the nicknames to the username. All right, guys, I'm gonna exit this trade.
Order
I made
Order
106
filled.
bucks. I'll take it. I'll run away. Today's not the kind of a day I want to be greedy, right? I've gotta be very, very careful, everybody. I've got to be extremely careful. Now I'm done with Apex accounts. I still have to trade the Apex on my Rhythmic, but I didn't really get a chance to do that. Probably do that a little bit later today. Anyways, so that's with the Apex accounts. I'm done with funding ticks as well. I'm done with funded next as well. I funded next, man. I rocked that funded account. I made $1,300, and this is with no consistency as well because it's got the what do you call this? I bought it during the Halloween, so I should be fine. So that's there, and Tradify account. I'm done. Tradify, I'm gonna request a payout today. Made 330 bucks there. So this account, man, it's been the longest account ever. Incredible. I've had this since September. We'll see how it goes. We had all green days so far, so we'll take it. And then what else now? Bank Nation. All my top step ones are all done. I don't like the top step was all done last night, so I don't have to trade for top step. Right, top step is all done last night, so I should be okay with the top step. I made all the profits I need last night, so I'm gonna leave it at that for top step. Just to count it as a day, we'll look for another day, right? And just coming back to my now I'm gonna look for a daily payout now on my pro account. Right, so daily payout on pro account is what I'm gonna be looking for now. Let's see. All right, so this is the big moment because I'm gonna be trading Tradify accounts. Sorry, not Tradify accounts. My Take Profit Trader Pro accounts, guys. I'm pretty close to getting a daily payout on these accounts. So let's try to see if we can actually get something out of this now, guys. Good luck, everybody, if you guys are trading. All right, so here I am. Oh man, the market is already pulling back here now, guys. All right, so man, if it crack underneath, we already actually ended up getting a crack underneath that 750. I wonder how this is gonna kind of play out. All right, I'm just gonna have, oh my god, it's just keep going, guys, man. This is, oh my god, guys, I am so not happy with this right now. I'm definitely not a happy camper right now with this kind of a price action we are getting, so I'm not sure how to play this. I get a little antsy. All right, guys. Oh dear. I need some better price action. This is definitely not good. We are down to 2%. Maybe try to look for quick bounce. Maybe.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Let's see if we could get a quick bounce back up again. Right? Maybe back up into the 740s.
Order filled. Order filled.
All right, guys.
Order filled.
There we go. I've got what I need now. Well, I mean, for this trade, I was looking for a quick scalp bounce. Right, guys. We are back up again. We're kind of trying to reverse back up again. This could be short-lived, in my opinion, but wow, that's a pretty strong bounce we are getting off that 720 level, guys. All right, so here I am. We are kind of approaching that resistance now. We got to really get through that to kind of like, I got to be careful. There was a real short first retest pump. Asun Chetrick. Captain Price, what is up, brother? The Karan trade. How do I pronounce that? Asun trade. Asun Ketri. I'm not sure. Anyways, guys, we are trying to get a bounce. I don't know if this is going to hold. I could be wrong. But that was a pretty nasty pullback all the way back down into the 740 now. So some kind of a bounce maybe due. Like, we can't just keep pulling back. Can we do that? Like, we're already 2% down in this market, so right. All right, we are getting that bounce, guys. I'm gonna try and short now.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
All right, guys. I'm down to 3 now. I'm looking for that daily payout, right? This is what my goal is right now. I've literally traded all accounts, so my focus now attention to take profit trader pro accounts. I'm looking for my daily payout if I can do that today, honestly, and that's the goal. We'll try to see if I could actually make that happen today. I want to trade the mini contract, but the thing is, right, the market is just so volatile. So just in case I'm on the wrong side, even with one mini contract, I am gonna get absolutely smoked, right? And that's where I'm kind of going, okay, well, what do you really want to achieve today? I do want to get a payout, but at the same time, I do not want to get into a blowout situation. So I might as well try to play a little safe, a little conservative. and try to get closer to payout by consistent small little basic trades throughout the entire duration of the day, so that way I can kind of get closer and closer to the daily payout. Okay, this is the plan. So I don't want to try to make a home run trade by trying to get into a payout, but because I could also end up blowing my account as well, right? So I want to be extra careful in what I do. I'm only look, there's one account that I've got $1,200. That's so I just need one good trade to kind of get me the daily payout, and the other one is I'm pretty close to the daily payout as well, $1,500. So let's try our level best, guys. I really do want to get to daily payout today, right? I really do. I really badly want to, guys. Just a right. Can you please help me out? All right, so here guys, we are trying to get a pullback here. Let's see, we could try to do a little bit of a bottoming process, if you will, like at this level now, right? I don't think it's just gonna go straight down in one line, but maybe it could be setting up for a little bit of a bottoming process here, and then try to curl back up into, I would say, 800 back again, and then at the end we kind of pull back. But for now, we just cracked underneath the very important key levels. So let's see if we can actually get a bounce back up again, or we say goodbye, and then it's all over today. And let's see if I can get some, you know, like a real nice trade. I'm not really sure though. I don't really have a lot of conviction. The confluence is not there right now as you speak, because we are so right down there. I mean, if this was, I would have, if I went to a trade right up here, this would have been a lot better, right? So it's either we break out or we break it down, and I could have had my stop at 820 here. I don't know if I was in a trade. I was actually in a trade, but then obviously I did not held that trade for long. So anyways, guys, we're hitting that resistance again. Let's see if we can actually get a bounce. Right, so we have a support here, sorry, resistance here, kind of playing out as well right here. So we'll see if we can actually hold this, maybe get a bounce back into this area, and then maybe try to get a pullback. Another level of resistance would be somewhere in the zone, so here at 775 as well. So let's see, guys, if we get a bounce, we gotta wait and see if these levels actually hold. Right, if they don't hold, then we kind of call back down again. So don't blow like before. I am going to sleep. Have a good yeah. All right, Sanchi, you have a great day. You have a great day, brother. How long is the stream? Probably until, I would say, the power hour. Oh, guys, man, we got rejection off that level. We are getting a pullback here. Now it's kind of too late for me to get into trade now, right? So I think we break it down for all you know. All right, so let's try to get a little bounce back up into the 735, so I can kind of like try to go short on this bad boy. All right, I'm gonna try and micro scalp this freaking market. Oh my god, look at that, guys. We are pulling back it down to the 715. Doesn't look like this is gonna give me a chance to get into a trade now, bad boy. Oh my god, I am so pissed. All right, I'm gonna have to stay calm. Oh yeah, it's a constant pullback. By the time it's said and done, we're kind of probably down to the 500, and I'll be like, okay, well, I never really got into a trade anymore. All right, that's a nasty continuation of a pullback here, guys, and we are not holding, so I kind of do think we get a pullback. The only problem is, man, do we get some kind of a bounce before we do that, right? And that's where I'm not sure.
Order filled. Order filled.
All right, guys, I'm long here, looking for a quick scalp here right now, back into the 730s.
Order filled. Order filled.
I'm gonna have to make some.
Order filled.
Yeah, why? Not a bad trade.
Order filled.
I exited that trade, but it's gonna be hard. It's gonna be hard for me to. Man, not the perfect time to kind of trade with mini contracts. I'll be honest. If I'm ready to blow this accounts, then yes, then I'm okay. But I'm not ready to do that today. Today is not the kind of a day I want to do that, especially when I only have 3 pro accounts to kind of play with. So I want to be safe. I want to be safe. I would rather make less than yeah, I prefer to make less than try to blow my account, right? If I'm on the wrong side, I want to be able to exit my trade as well, so all right, we are seeing, I think the SPY, for example, let's just take a look at this market, guys. Let's just take a look at this overall market, right? You guys know I do that level on the SPY, and I told you guys, man, we talked about this. This is the drawing that I had I think last week, and I told you, let's take a look and see how this market's gonna kind of play out, right? And this is exactly what's going on right now, man. We said we're gonna try to see this bearish head and shoulders kind of play out on a longer time frame. We finally broke down underneath this trend line, and we said we're gonna pull back here, back into 655. I think we do pull back into 655, guys, area, and retest this level. Wow, what an incredible analysis here, StockTiger. Right, this is what I kind of feel like, you know, we may try to do before we try to get a bounce. Right, this is what I kind of feel like this market's gonna do. Now again, I mean, it's not always gonna play out the way it kind of looks like, but at least coming up with this sort of an analysis, right, and making some decent calls like this, it's pretty good deal. All right, so Tory's trade line, yeah, exactly. All right, so here I am. Okay, so let's just take a look at this overall market, guys. Apple not really down as much, right? Apple down only about 0.5%. Nvidia, Tesla down about 4.5%. So I do, yeah, Tesla is not holding, guys. I think Tesla, we have some more pullbacks. Nvidia, Amazon, Google, yeah, everything is just trying to pull back here. But just keep in mind, from a grand scheme of things, we haven't really, it's not a nasty pullback like the one you know, it's like just take a look. I mean, Palantir, let's just take a look at the Palantir, man, and that's a good one to kind of take a look at, right? Palantir sitting at 170. Was this even a stock to be at over $200? I don't think so, man. Palantir over $200? Come on, guys, come on, look at their freaking earnings. I mean, I understand it's a great company, don't get me wrong. They got a lot of big potential. Without going into too much detail, you guys can obviously take a look at the YouTube, right, of the projects and what they expect to do in the next 6 to 12 months. But from a pure technical standpoint, and also their PE ratio, I kind of feel like it's really, really expensive. Now, that doesn't mean that we can't retest the higher to over $200, but I would prefer Palantir down maybe into the 130s. You know, for all you know. I don't know if you're gonna get there, but if we do, I think that's gonna be awesome, because then that's where I'm gonna be like, okay, well, I'm gonna start to step into this, picking some shares, because I really do want to get into Palantir and Nvidia. You guys know I've been telling you guys I've not gotten into these stocks on my long-term portfolio, so I'm not being really a happy camper in that way. Every time we got a squeeze in this Palantir and Nvidia, I was like, oh my god, that's all I had to say. But now we're finally getting that pullback. I wonder if we're gonna pull back all the way down though, because I kind of expect the SPY to get a big, maybe a bounce back from that 655. You got some ways to go to the down on SPY, but I don't know, by the time we pull back into 655 area, I wonder where this Palantir is gonna be, right? If we crack underneath this 167, I think we pull back all the way back into the 145 in Palantir, and that will give me a chance to kind of get into my my portfolio. And then if we can't hold that, I think we pull back all the way back down into the 120. That's the next level of support. And if that doesn't hold, then I think, yeah, we have some big serious problem. But yeah, this could be pretty interesting. Nvidia, the same kind of idea, back down to 181. Right, I truly kind of feel like maybe Nvidia, right, a long trend line, if you draw down there, we probably could get it down to, I would say, 145, right? 145 kind of fall in line with a nice beautiful support here, major level of support, with a trend line coming in line as well, so we could see ourselves maybe bring it down nicely, right? Maybe down to here, try to get a bounce off that 148. All right, so anyways, back to my trading. Where's that? Oh my god, Mochaccino, guys, we are getting that true bounce. We talked about this, guys, and 774 right now. Oh my god, Mochaccino, guys. Oh dear, I don't know what to do now. I think we probably get a bounce, right? All right, I'm gonna try and long this, guys.
Order filled.
Let's see, I'm gonna try and long here now, guys. Up into, like, if we crack underneath the 735, then I'll exit my trade. But until we do that, I'm gonna try and long the pullback here. I may be squeezed. Nobody knows, man. I don't know. We could, but I kind of like the idea of a bounce back into, I would say, 800, a little over 800. That would be my final take profit there, I guess, if we get a bounce back up again. I kind of like that idea better, and I will exit my trade just in case we get a pullback down. I'm gonna get ready here to exit my trade down from that 750s, because 750 was obviously a big level of support, of resistance. Now we cracked above that, so we may get a little bit of a short-term dead cat bounce maybe. But if we can't hold the 750, then I think we continue pulling back down, and that could be another big massive leg to the downside, of course. Go long for like the next 30 minutes. Yeah, maybe. I'm gonna try. I like this, guys. I like this. Let's see.
Order filled.
Oh my god, we're not even getting a pullback here, guys. Oh, Mochaccino. I'm gonna place my I'm gonna trail my stop here back down into the 760s, guys. Right? I think probably a better idea. Oh my god, this bounce is real. Look at that Mochaccino bounce, guys. Oh my. Not worth the risk. Yeah, I mean, yeah, it depends.
Filled.
That's why I'm not really too aggressive, right? At most, you guys see me doing 5 contracts, man. I'm getting pretty close to the daily payouts, so...
Order filled.
Because I'm down to 3 now. Let's see if we continue getting a bounce back into, I would say, yeah, that next level of resistance is going to be here, man. 800. That's a huge level of resistance. Now, the thing is, I don't know if you're going to pierce through that level, right? I don't think so. All right, I'm taking some profits off the table now. Oh my god, guys. Tradevate crashing on me now. Great, guys. I'm in trouble. I'm in trouble, guys. My Tradevate is crashing on me. Where's my freaking orders, man? If we get a pullback here, we're in trouble. Oh my god. Oh my god. This Tradevate, man, they continue to have problems, right? Every day, but they don't seem to be able to fix that freaking problem. Fuck, man, guys.
Order filled.
Oh my, fuck you, Tradevate. Oh my god, man. Alright, I don't want them messing up with my mental here. I've got to be extremely careful. I'm gonna...
Order filled.
Alright, guys, I'm down.
Order filled.
Alright, guys, I'm down to 2 now.
Order filled.
That was pretty close, man. Alright, guys, I exited that trade. Holy mochaccino, guys. Woo! Wow, man, that was pretty close, man. What the heck, guys? What the heck? You gotta be kidding me. That was pretty close. Oh yeah, I've got to take a little step back because this is not all right. By the way, and that's a big, massive level of resistance, right, guys? If you just take a look from a grand scheme of things, this is actually a big deal. That I wonder if we have what it takes to kind of get a bounce of this level now. I think if we pierce through that, we could really get going really hard, maybe back into 900, guys. That's literally about 100 points away from where we are now. So pretty interesting price action, to say the least. Right, I want to move back to like 15 minutes chart. Just take a look at this from 15 minutes chart standpoint. Oh no, not 15 minutes chart, guys. Let's just move back to the 5 minutes chart. Right, we got a lot of levels. We are trying to pierce through that level now, right? And that's a big one there. Here, this is a big one, and there's another one here. And from a bigger time frame, right? So I kind of feel like we could get back into 900, guys. We could, right? Just based off what I see on just purely technical standpoint, nothing really other than that. But I just kind of feel like we could get a bounce back into 900 area, and that's obviously the next level of resistance now, and that's the pivot too. So maybe try to get a bounce back into here and let those EMAs kind of like catch up to this price action right now. Right, so all the EMAs are kind of like up in the air, so let this EMAs kind of pull back, you know, kind of grind back down to where the price is, and by the time they kind of meet at the in this 950, that's where we could see all the EMA kind of catch up to this price, just like something like this, for example, and here. So we could kind of like get back into 950, but we gotta, first thing first, obviously we gotta get a bounce back into the 830s before we do that. So anyways, let's just go back to my tick chart. Let's go back to my tick chart, guys. I'm gonna move back to like 150. Right, I'm gonna move back to 150 tick chart. So see, guys, we got some levels we gotta kind of watch. What is this level? All right. Oh, I see. Okay. Oh, we are getting a bounce, and I kind of like this bounce. But I'm gonna look for a pullback here to go long. Let's see, and I'm gonna have to place a real hard stop. Because once this thing kind of flushes, man, it's gonna go like really, really fast, right? It's not even gonna give you a chance to kind of get out of your trade. So, all right, so here I am, guys. I'm gonna try long right now, but I'm gonna look for a little pullback down into the support level, into the 820. I hope this market gives me a chance to do that. All right, so we tapped the 850. That's another level. It's a minor level of resistance. We are pulling back from that level now. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna look for a little pullback. I cannot be chasing this right here. All right, so while this market tried to do its thing, I'm gonna go ahead and grab a little coffee for myself. Just bear with me, everybody. In the meantime, maybe I could just place my limit order here down, right?
Order filled.
Oh my god, guys, we are getting a pullback here, which is great, which is great, which is really great, guys. Well, let's see if we can actually get a pullback down into the 830s. I was gonna go grab a coffee myself, but then obviously this market's pulling back, so I'm gonna have to hold off here. Maybe this pullback here pays for my labor and my coffee this morning. All right, so here we go, guys. Let's see what happens now. So, guys, I'm looking for that pullback here. I really need this thing pulled back into the 820 and hold.
Order
All right, guys,
filled.
we're getting a pullback.
Order
All right,
filled.
we're getting a pullback here, guys. I've got 5 contracts. Sorry, I got 3 now. For now, I've got 3.
Order filled.
There you go, guys. I've got 5 contracts now. That's it. Oh well. I've got 5 contracts now. The expectation is I want to see this thing pierce through this 850 and get back into the 900, guys. 900 is my final target, right? So I'm gonna try and take 1 profit off the table right at the initial high here.
Order
Took 1 off
filled.
right now, guys. Extension up. Let's see if you get it, guys. I'm gonna take 3 off the table along the way. Every 10 points, I take 1 off. And then the final take profit in that 880, guys. Like, if I'm wrong, if this thing ends up pulling back here, I'm going to exit my trade right at that 830. I'll place a hard stop now, guys, just in case you get a pullback here. And that's my hard stop right in that 828. I'm really being careful, guys, today. I don't know if you guys ever see me be so careful. I better get my shit together, right? I'm really trying to be better at trading, take profit trader. You guys know that I've been saying, calling out that I want to be better. And I really have to start showing some discipline.
Order filled.
All right, guys, we are getting a bounce right now. I'm going to trail my stop back up again into the 840. Maybe we do a quick bounce and I'll exit my trade, guys. Final take profit right in that 880. If we get a pullback, stop me out, then I'm out. I may reload on a pullback here. 1 second, guys. 1 second. 834 my hard stop, and I'll try to reload just in case you get a pullback here down. Maybe we have a chance of a little bit of a pullback and then bounce back again. Oh no, it's just gonna go without me, I guess. Okay, well, that's fine. There we go. We are getting a pullback here, guys. I wonder if this is going to break down. I wonder.
Order filled. Order filled.
All right, guys, we're at that trend line now. We're in that trend line. Ah!
Order filled.
Or exit that
Order
trade.
filled.
Exit that trade, guys. And that's a pullback there. I'm gonna try and short this
Order filled.
on a bounce now.
Order filled. Order filled.
Do we not get a bounce? We could, but this is a pretty.
Order filled.
Oh no, let's do that.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Yeah, I'll exit that
Order
trade.
filled.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna hold off, man. There's it's obviously it's a point of control here right now, so it's tough, guys. It's tough to trade this price action. Not easy. It looks easy, but it's not, right?
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Oh shit.
Order filled. 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 Order
I
filled.
guess I exited that trade, man. It's too choppy right now. Really hard. Really hard. Yeah. All right, I'm gonna have to take a little step back here because I do not want to get into the gold trying to pull back here. I don't know. Fucking screw gold. It's garbage, man. Gold is a fucking garbage. Don't even waste your time. Oh my god, we are piercing through this.
Order filled. Order filled.
What the why is this drawing coming up? Oh my god. Now I'm screwed.
Order filled. 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 Order filled.
All right, so my hard stop is somewhere in that 830, and I'm gonna look for a bounce right now. It looks like it wants to sell off, but I mean, we're still kind of respecting this zone, right? So we got a lot of resistance here at the 840, right? So we really got to pierce through that level. I think we could. I think once we do that, that's gonna take all the bears out, because the bears probably have their stop here at 860, right? So maybe not at the first crack. Maybe we're gonna try to retest this 840, which is a major level of resistance.
Stop filled.
Hold on one second, guys. What is going on? Oh, I got
Stop
stopped out.
filled.
Okay, I got. All right. I guess I'm getting stopped out right now.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
All right, I'm back to 6 contracts on this.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order
All
filled.
right, guys. Got filled. Got filled. Back up again, guys. Getting pretty close now. I'm a Sarge.
Order filled.
StockTiger, everybody. StockTiger in the military camp. StockTiger. What is your name? My name is StockTiger, sir. Where did you come from? I come from Canada.
Order filled.
All right, down to 2 now. All right, guys. Let's see if we retest this area now. We're trying to break out of this zone. This is a huge level, guys, man. I'm going to leave the 2-piece to kind of watch and see where this market's going to go. I'm going to place a hard stop here, though, right in this level now. Right? Down the hard stop here at 824. I'm going to look to see if we can actually get a bounce and try to pierce through this area. 850. It's a big level, guys. You guys know it's a huge level, guys. If we break through that, I think we go all the way back into 900. But let's see. We are trying to retest. Okay, screw this, guys. I'm out. Damn it. Well, I took my profits. Guys, now it's the time of the day. I'm gonna go get my coffee. I'll be right back in 1 minute. Sorry guys, I forgot to grab my my cup. My apologies. And you never seem to far away. I'm here to stay. All right, guys, I'm back. Oh, look at this pullback, guys, man. We got a rejection of that level. All right, so there we go, guys. We got a rejection of that level. I mean, it's not a coincidence that we do this little box here, right? And we said, okay, well, that's a heavy level of resistance, and we got to pierce through that to kind of be bullish. But this market obviously, oh my god, fuck me, my god.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
There it goes.
Order filled.
I went a quick scalp there. Yeah, I kind of feel like this could just continue rolling back down, guys, man. We are at 800 now. Oh, man. Yeah, it's got to be hard. 1 second, guys. We're trying to hold. The market's trying to hold. The mega cap stocks are kind of trying to hold as well right now. So it's gonna be a pretty interesting day, for sure. How y'all making out, guys? Dan Amons, you're funded listed 150k. Nice, man. I kind of noticed that you only trade like the 150s and not the smaller accounts, eh? I mean, there's nothing wrong about it. I just kind of noticed that. Even the top said that you were trading last time, it was on the 150s, which is great. I'm just not good at trading 150s, so it takes too much. It takes a lot of energy toll on me. So, Alfred Haywood, Tiger lives in Canada. Yeah, Canada. StockTiger. 10 evals, green, nice, man. Hey, Junior, hey, bro, that's good. You know, 10 evals, 3 red. I'll take that any day. Yeah, I'm just kind of thinking, what am I supposed to do now? Do you think I should? I don't know. I'm just a little bit nervous about trying to trade the mini contracts. I'll be honest. And really, I want to get to above buffer on this 2 freaking accounts so I can get a daily payout, guys. But again, I'm nervous. What if, right? What if? And this market is very, very volatile, so it's not going to be a very, very easy trade. You know, I wish it was easy. I wish it was that easy, but it's not gonna be easy. It's gonna be tough. So I'm like, you know what? Especially at this range we're trying to hold this, right? We're trying to hold this, but we'll see how it goes. We're pretty overextended to the downside as well, so we could try to pierce and try to get back and retest the high at 850 as well, for all you know. So I'm gonna have to stay a little patient. We are kind of chopping in this range now, so as much as I'd love to get into a trade right now, alright guys, this market's kind of chopping in this range. Let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes, guys. Rhythmic is experiencing widespread issue. Maybe Rhythmic is experiencing wide range issue. All right, I haven't been trading Rhythmic right now, so maybe I should blow some accounts on my Rhythmic so they can reinstate my account. Maybe YOLO my accounts, I guess, on my Rhythmic. I got Apex accounts I gotta trade, and I haven't done it because I'm really trying to get to a payout on this bad boy right now. Make my day on the weekend, right? So let's see, guys, if we get it. I'm telling you, man, I better really be on the right side today. If I'm not, then I'm gonna get screwed. So that's why I'm like, you know, a little bit cautious in my trading Don't FFF warn not to trade if you do not get compensated? What does that mean? Oh my god, guys, we are pulling back here. Nasty, guys. Damn it. Lower high now. Lower high, lower high. I'm not sure. Lower high, lower high. I'm gonna have to look for some trade. Ah, man. They're pretty oversold overall, so I'm like, you know what am I gonna do? The thing is, right, I've got to be careful, and the reason why I've got to be careful because when this thing flush down, it's gonna flush down like 100 points, I'm telling you. And that's why I'm like, you know what, I better be careful, right, or else I'm gonna get screwed on this. I did kind of expect this market to kind of pull back overall throughout the rest of the day, but I'm kind of thinking we get some kind of a bounce. If not, then we pierce through all the levels and we kind of break it down to like 600 to start, and then probably back down to the 500s, right? But if you do, you don't get compensated. Oh, I see. Okay, yeah. I'm not trading my FFN account right now, so. All right, I missed that move on the way down. That could have been a beautiful trade, but it is what it is. I'm getting pretty close to the daily payout, so I'm not in no rush. But I really do want to get something going though. What am I, like $1,000 away from daily payout on these? So let's try to get something, man. Let's try to get something. No trades on take profit for you today. They just can't seem to take the money out of the account. Oh, when did you request the payout, Benjamin? Because we are getting a pullback here. Let's see, guys. Maybe a strong bounce. I'm gonna try and add to my short position on a pop. Let's see. Pretty oversold though. Really hard. Oh, last night? Well, yeah. Just give them till. I think they're not gonna do anything today for sure. So you're probably gonna have to wait till like Sunday, right? Oh my god, guys, we are constantly giving a pullback here. It's just not giving me a chance to get into my freaking trade. Hallelujah, guys, man, what up? What is going on here now? We had a chance, never really got it. Right, so let's see. Now, let's see if I get a chance. I did not check the ES, not sure where is ES standing, but all right, so we're getting a little pierced through. I wonder if we are going to be able to hold this though, right? We got that level of resistance. Now let's see if we got a rejection. We got a nice little trend line here, pivot here in that EMA as well, 788, 790. I wonder if we are going to be able to hold this though. This could be something like here, right? So just got to be waiting for this. Yeah, I don't know, man. I'm just feeling not very comfortable. Look at this, man. Once it pierced through so fast, it's not even funny anymore, guys. And that's why I don't want to be on the wrong side. We kind of pierced through that. So let's see. On a pullback here, I'm going to try and long here, guys. I'm going to pull back here on long.
Order filled. Order filled.
And max 10 contracts, man. Look at that nasty pullback here. I'm still on this trade right now, but oh my god, look at that, guys. I knew it. Look at this market. What a nasty pullback down. A rejection of that level. Are we gonna get a flush now?
Order filled.
Yeah, that's a bad rejection, but I still think we get a little bounce back.
Order filled.
My stop here is going to be at 750, guys. If we pull back here all the way down, I'm out. Or maybe out even sooner. I don't know. Depends. Yeah, I can't, man. I can't add to my position here for sure. It's a lot of risk. Definitely a lot of risk for me. Look, even with 5 contracts, I'm down like $100, man. And this is literally about 10 points pullback. So I'm looking for a bounce back into the 820s, guys. We'll see if we can actually get it right now. All right, guys, we are getting a bounce. Let's try to see if I can actually add some more here. Oh my God, look at that. Incredible. Cappuccino. Pulling back here, guys, man. Not a happy camper right now. I'm gonna exit that trade, guys. Oh my God, I can't believe that. Oh my God, StockTiger! StockTiger, please stop! Ah. I just can't do it, everybody. I just can't. I don't know what happened. I don't know where all my confidence went. My confidence absolutely destroyed right now because this market is just so difficult. Oh no.
Pretty much good at everything. She's good at driver, good at iron shot. See what I mean? From off the green, electing to go with the flagstick. It's for a birdie. Was that a good choice of clubs, Soyeon? Soyeon Yu joins us from the world #1. Miranda Wang for her 3rd shot.
On the front right, ooh, over there.
Out there. It's very tough pin position.
To Forum Polarito. It's only 97 yards today.
Oh shit, look at this market now. Damn it. Oh my God. Looks like it's gonna go now, man. I'm so pissed. So pissed.
Order filled.
No, I'm chasing. Oh my God, guys, I'm chasing. StockTiger channel chasing mode, and absolute chase mode. Let's chase this bad boy all the way. Let's chase it.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
All right, guys, I'm adding to my long position here. Let's target 850 back again. We're retesting the 850, guys. They want to reclaim that, I guess.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
All right, guys, I'm down to 3 now. And my stop is good. My mental stop probably in that 820, guys. All right, guys, I'm getting ever closer to the buffer, right? Let's try our level best, guys. I'm gonna try my level best right here, right now. My hard stop gotta be right up here. I really kind of feel like, you know, we get a little more bounce, I guess, right? So
order filled. Order filled.
all right, guys, it's getting filled. I think we pierced through the 850, and then maybe we get rejection there. I don't know. We'll have to wait and see. But so far, I kind of feel like we're getting really close to the 850 level. Even though it looks pretty, you know, extended to the upside. We could just literally flush it down too. But I like the way it's kind of moving and holding all the EMA support levels right now. So I've got 3 contracts, so we'll see if we can actually pierce through that level now. I may end up adding to my position to the long on a pullback here into the 820s, and now I will exit if this pullback continues into the 800s.
Order filled. Order filled.
I've added some more, guys. I've added some more, and then I'm looking for a pullback
Order
here.
filled.
Sorry, I'm looking for a take profit now. Got
Order filled.
All right, guys.
Order filled.
I'm placing my hard stop. I'm trading my hard stop here as well. I'm down to 2 contracts now. I think we push higher, guys. I think. No, we create. What? I can't even speak anymore, guys. We created a new candle here on a 1-hour chart, and now that candle, I need to see. Oh my God! Look at that, guys. Nice.
Order filled.
We're getting ever closer, guys. With such a small contract size, we could still do it, you know? And we did it right here, right now. Play to my stop at the break even. Just go 1 contract now, guys, into this trade. I'm looking at the 1-hour candle too. It looks pretty bullish, man. I kind of like it, guys. We could, like, if this candle actually breaks out into the 870, then I think we could go all the way back into the 930s. We could reclaim the 930s for all you know. So this is going to be a pretty important level now. 870 zone, right? That's going to be a huge level. All right, guys, I'm going to exit this trade. All right, I exited that trade. I'm going to look for a little pullback down now, maybe into the 830s. Kind of shake out the bulls and then, you know, try to get a fierce bounce back up again. Right, so let's see now. Okay, so I placed my limit orders now. I've got 5-minute contracts. We'll see if we can actually get a little pullback down before we get a bounce.
Order filled. Order filled.
I think if you pull back underneath the 810 area, then I think this is no longer going to be bullish at all, right?
Order filled. Order filled.
I exited that trade. I'm gonna look to re-enter on a pullback. Yes, I did that with pretty much all the micros today. But I was a little bit heavy though. I was in with like 30 micros initially, and then I decided to put a little break because I was already up like $2,000 by the time I was using my 30 micros, and then I ended up I started using 5 to 10 micros. Never let it far away. I'm here to stay. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. If I had to live my life, all right, guys, I wonder what this market's trying to do. I need some better moves so I can kind of get into my trades, but I'm still thinking. We still have like 2 more hours to go, right? Oh, sorry, we have 3 more hours for this market to close, so I still have a little chance. I do kind of feel like we are trying to get a short-term bounce back up again. Maybe a short-term low. Maybe we kind of hit 700 area. That was the low of the day. We'll see, guys. Yeah, it's tough, man. I don't want to short this market now, right? And then try to add to my position, and then next thing you know, this market's trying to get a squeeze, and then you're out of you're in a big like red. You know what I mean? Like, that's really the last thing I want to do today. Today's not the kind of a day I want to be cute with this market, right? So
Connection lost.
nothing's gonna change my love for you.
can't believe I finally get to move in here tomorrow.
This place is perfect for you. And look at this TV. It's huge.
71 inches. Porn is going to be
Terrifying.
I can't wait.
The house looks amazing.
You haven't seen anything yet. Okay, let's.
All right, guys, 861 now. Almost like we really have to get past this 860 before we try to be a little more bullish again. But it does look like it wants to break out of the area now. Alfred Tiger in at 150Ks. I like to see that. Yeah, I mean, I keep trying. It's not that I don't. I try, but it's just that I don't tend to do as well as you do, right? I know a lot of you guys, you Dan Emmons and Alfred, all of you. Even I think Monica does the 150s. It's just not easy. I don't know. And the bigger problem is that the more you kind of flip between 50Ks and the 150s, it starts to become really difficult. Either you stick to 150s throughout the whole entire process, or do the 50Ks. You know what I mean? But to have like 75K accounts, to have 150s and 25s and 50s. It kind of it's very difficult to trade that way, right? Anyways, guys, we are getting a nice little bounce. It almost kind of feels like we are now starting to get some support here in this range, 1-850, right? So maybe time to maybe try to go long here now. I don't know, man. I don't know. I'm so tempted to go long here. But I want to clear breakout. I want to clear breakout 870, and I'd like to see this 870 start to act as a support. And then I'm going to look to try and go long in the area. Junior Charin fan, yeah, you still have to. Of course, you still have to build the buffers. So. I don't know. I may try to just call it a day. I'm not really sure what the plan is. I do want to get above buffer at least, man, on this account. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do it though today. With this kind of a price action we're getting right now, maybe a little bit of a tough situation. I like the way we kind of pierce through this a big level 850 to 860, so I'm kind of leaning more to the upside, a short-term bounce back up. Yeah, okay, so here we go, guys. We are at 870 now. Wow. I like the bounce back. On a pullback here, I'm gonna try and long here, guys, and look for a target into the 900 area. Let's see if we get a little pullback here. Shake out the bulls. All right, guys, there we go, guys. I'm adding.
Order filled.
I'm gonna start adding.
Order filled.
Oh my mochaccino, guys. Now we're getting a deep pullback. Is that what it is? Do not be doing ever.
Order filled.
All right, guys, we could get a little pullback down. Hold on one second, guys. Yeah, I've got 3 contracts. I'll keep adding until 820. We'll see how it goes, guys. Oh well. I hope I don't get smoked on this bad boy. Alright, guys, we are breaking down underneath the 850. 850, let's see. We have a trend line. We have a trend line, guys. Tory's trade trend line here. Oh my god, man. These drawings are like really suck on Tradevate, by the way. It's really hard to draw these levels on trend line. Sorry, on Tradevate. Guys, we had a beautiful like, look at this beautiful trend line support. Wow.
Order filled.
I really want to just keep adding on this little thing. I don't know if I'm gonna get a chance to do that though right now.
Order filled.
Yeah, I'm extremely aggressive. That bounce that we had was actually a pretty solid one. I like that. So, all right, I'll take a stab here. I may be making a little mistake. I don't know. We'll see. But my stop here, I would say 845 would be my stop here, and that's gonna be my hard stop. I'm gonna place my hard stop. I'm not moving those hard stop, by the way. Just leave that hard stop right there. And we'll see how it goes now, guys. We are back into 870. What is going on, Samuel? Price in the house. RXL, what is going on, guys? Great to see y'all back here again today. Thank you guys for watching me trade live.
Order filled. Order filled.
I may be buying the top here, maybe. Oh my god, look at that fucking pullback. Incredible. 1 second. Fuck.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Oh my god, why is this order getting filled now, man? Tradevate, come on, get your shit together, please, man.
Order filled. 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 Order filled.
Oh. Lots of pressure, everybody. Lots of pressure. It's not easy.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Because I'm down to 4 now. I'm down to 4 contracts here, guys. I'm gonna take one more off
Order
table
filled.
to kind of like depressurize myself, if you will. All right, guys, back down to 3 now. Let's see if we get a follow-through extension here. Extension, maybe 30 points from here is really all I'm looking for. 30 points. I think we could do that, guys. We could pierce through this area. All right. I may take one more. I'll take one more, guys, and then that's it. I'll place a hard stop here as well. Down. All right, so I'm back. Wow, I'm pretty close to getting above the buffer, everybody. Oh my god, what a nasty... Oh my god, everybody. Ugh. StockTiger going live. Oh, what a nasty pullback here, guys. What a nasty pullback. I may try to reload here. No, I don't know, man. Oh dear, look at that bounce. May try to add a few more if I can.
Order filled.
God, let's
Order
try.
filled.
I'll exit that trade, guys. I exit
Order
that trade.
filled.
I just did not like the way it's kind of moving so far. So let me just try to take a little step back now that I've actually taken some profits off the table now. I'm pretty much a couple $100 away from... Yeah, I got my payout. Yeah, it's being processed. Yeah, it's got approved. It's all good. All right, guys, I'm trading my Take Profit Trader Pro accounts. I'm trying to get above the buffer. That's the goal right now. Trying to get above the buffer. Trying to see if I can get to a payout today, guys. Why not, right? Why not? Trading live in front of my fellow traders every day during Globex Asia, and plus on top of that during New York. 2 to 3 times a week, everybody. StockTiger. Yeah, no, I don't like talking too much, man. Yeah. Lunchtime trader, Alfred. Yeah, I mean, everybody's obviously very different in the way they trade, right? I mean, when I go on live stream, I may talk as much, but I also equally trade a lot too, right? I don't just sit there and just keep talking all day. Like, I don't need pure A grade setup too. It doesn't matter. We're really trading for. It depends. I mean, I can also swing trade within the intraday. I do that lots and lots, right? You guys know that. It's not like the first day trading here in front of my fellow traders. Sometimes I trade, like, you know, I get into trade and I sit on that trade for all day. Especially when I'm really busy and I can't get into a lot of trades. You know, I scale into my trades, limit orders, and then I hold it till the rest of the day. Sometimes, yeah. All right, so here we go, guys, man. We are hitting that 890. We talked about this 890. We are getting a bounce. I wonder where it's gonna go now, though. That's the question. We're now the markets. Obviously, that's a reversal pattern that we're getting. But I wonder what kind of a bounce are we gonna get from here? Is this bounce gonna be merely something like this that we got here earlier? Right? Is it gonna be something like this? Oh my god, look at this drawing. Oh my god. Are we gonna get something like this? Oh my god, guys, what the heck, man? Give me my freaking drawing. Oh my god. Oh, I used the wrong chart. Sorry, it's my fault. Right? Are we gonna get something like this? Oh, it's going, guys. Finally, it's moving. Damn it. We were actually looking for this move, right? We were looking for this move. But it's okay. You know, I got what I need. It's okay. I feel like shit, but you know what? It's okay. I definitely feel like shit, but it's okay. You know, it is what it is. There's definitely a little bit of tears coming out from my eyes. But it's okay. Well, we knew this is gonna happen, and we talked about this. From funded next, I'm just now starting to trade the funded next, brother. Now I'm trading funded next. So I've got the what do you call this, the profits. So just give me maybe a few days. I'll request a payout. If all goes well, then we'll see. I think we should be golden. And I wonder how it's gonna be now, guys. Are we gonna try to retest the 960, or maybe get a pullback before we start to do that? Maybe try to pull back here back into the 890 before we do that. But this market is obviously very, very strong, right? So I don't want to go against this, right? And rip your face off, right, on this bounce that we're getting. Imagine if I was trying to short this, man, right up here in 880. I would have been squeezed the hell out of this, right? And then guess what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna be crying, and I'll be blaming Monica, right? Guys, let's see if we get a breakout now. Oh, do we get a pullback here? I do. Oh man, I don't want to short this, man. I don't want to short this market today. I don't want to short right now. This is not the time to short, StockTiger. Stay out of this. Nice, man. Boy, Pablo, man. Do me a favor, win that freaking Tradify Cup, because they fucking blew my account twice, and I had it. I'm out of that Tradify now. Pissed me off, man. I made $11,000 on my first try. They resetted that account, and I went second time, and they resetted that account as well, and both were $11,000, and I was right in that 200 ranking. The first one, they reset it. I can kind of understand the reason why. I can kind of understand. The second one, I guess apparently maybe I traded, I don't know, somebody was saying that I probably would have traded the same day before getting into that over $5,000 threshold, maybe. But even then, man, even then, I had enough of that crap, man. Not gonna waste my time. It's not gonna pay me anyways, right? So doesn't matter. But at least I'd love to see Poy Pablo fucking make a move, brother. I want to see you do it, bro. I would love, man. I'm here to support you, brother. Get it up there, man. Get it up there, bro. Let's do it. Guys, don't forget to smack the like, guys, man. We have over 130 viewers now, and we only have 10 likes, man. What is up with that? No love for StockTiger. Oh well. Oh well, it's okay, guys. It's okay, StockTiger. I understand that. Nobody likes me anymore. I get that, you know. You're eligible to withdraw $16, but if you after the split, I'm down to maybe $10, man. Guys, we're kind of struggling to get above, but honestly, even then, I'm not sure if I want to be shorting this. Should I give it a try?
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
If this thing ripped, man, I'll be crying. So hold on one second. I'm gonna try and place my limit order.
Order filled.
So look, man, look at this bounce, man. This bounce scares me. Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh dear. Don't do that to me, hon. Guys, I'm out of that trade.
Filled.
I lost like $30. Oh well. $30. Now I can't afford to pay for my coffee. Great stuff, StockTiger. I'm not sure, man. I don't know. Like overall, from a larger time frame, it's still very bullish, right? I still kind of feel like, you know, this market may try to retest 950. I don't know, and then maybe if that holds, then we are back over $25,000, guys, man. We are back over 25. I don't know. It's hard for me to kind of like try to get into this trade. I don't know how to trade. I don't know how to trade. Do 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 do. All right. We are getting a bounce. Oh well. Oh well. Now I'm really not sure what to do now. Just sit and watch, I guess. I'm sorry, Matt Moxie. I'm so sorry, brother. You're still gonna come back, right? You're not gonna be like, okay, well, screw this guy. I'm never gonna be in the stream anymore. You're not gonna do that, are you, Matt Moxie? At least confirm in this chat. Confirm in this chat, bro. Sergio, what is up, man? Hit that like. Yeah. Hit that like, everybody. God damn it. Thank you, Matt Moxie. Love you, brother. All right, guys, man. USA going to have a massive Russian, what do you call this? I can't translate that from Korean. Weird. Weird. I'm reading a Korean news and I forgot how to translate that. Oh, it's sanctions. Yeah, I guess they're placing a major sanction on Russia. I don't know how that's really gonna change this market. Nobody really cares about Russia anymore, I guess, right? There's no catalyst right now anymore. What could be the catalyst? The only thing that's really is that the Apple is kind of holding. The Apple is kind of holding, guys. Apple, it's a monster. It's holding despite all the challenges we're getting in this market. It's still holding. And the VIX is still, it's only up, well, it's not only up, sorry man, I lied. It's $21 right now. We're 11% up, so we could see something move here. We could see some pressure, right? So I don't think the VIX is not hit the ceiling, you know what I mean? Even though we kind of got a wick here, I still do think the VIX may be pushing a little bit higher. some more to go, maybe into the 24 and 25 maybe. So a little more ways to go on VIX. So we're not still looking for a crazy pullback in VIX. I think it's kind of consolidating in this range, but I think the VIX tries to get a bounce back into the 24. Obviously that would mean bearish for this overall market, right? SPY trying to hold, QQQ trying to hold, IWM is probably trying to hold the most, right? Only down about 0.5%. Apple holding really nicely, Tesla pulling back like a dumpster, Google pulling back here, not looking that great. Netflix finally down to $1,000, eh? Netflix down to $1,000. I would really love to see Netflix down into, man, look at this, man. I would love to see Netflix down to $700-800. Honestly, I don't know, man. I don't know how Netflix is so expensive. Like, I really sometimes I wonder how this thing is like over $1,000 at all. I don't understand. All right, this market trying to hold or what now, guys? I'm trying to get into a trade. I just can't do that because this market's chopping so far. Nothing really there. It's getting to 12. Oh, guys, we are starting to get a little pullback here.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Oh my god. Damn it, guys, I made a mistake again. That would have been a nice shorting opportunity for me. All right, I pressure myself once again.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Yeah, I chased that trade, unfortunately.
Order filled. Order filled.
Well, I didn't really chase, but just, I guess, I don't know. I still like it to the upside, but we'll see. We'll try to stick to the thesis here, guys. By the dip, I guess, right?
Order filled. 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 Order filled.
Oh my god, man.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
No, I pressed the wrong button on this previous one, and then I had to reload, re-enter quickly because I thought that could be a nice area to kind of enter, and if we get a squeeze, then we could get a little piece of this, right? So that's what it was. I'm making a lot of mistakes with exiting at the wrong time, like pressing the wrong button. And lately, I've been making a lot of mistakes with trading mini contracts instead of micro, and I obviously thought it was micro, and then you're like, next thing you know, you're like 4 or 5 mini contracts, right? So, I mean, I've never really gotten any luck by trading like that. So, okay, what a nice little pump here, guys. I've got 2 contracts. Let's try to see if we can get above this buffer, guys. I could be there right now. Oh my god, I can't believe that, guys. I'm there. I'm there. I'm there. StockTiger is there. Getting above the buffer now. Ooh, yeah, let's go. All right, guys, the next level of resistance is gonna be right up here, right here, guys. Yeah, I can definitely pay for my McDonald's, including my coffee, guys. We're right there, guys, getting above the buffer zone. Buffer zone, $4,500. Let's go, baby. Oh my. StockTiger. StockTiger, a bad trader. All right, guys, I took one off the table right there. All right, guys, I exited that trade, guys. Oh my god, I'm $14 away. $14 away from my buffer again. I was up and then now I'm down. Thank you so much. You are rock and roll great. All right, now the question is, are we going to try to rip through this now? That's a big question, right? We've been doing that all day. Tiger is the fun tiger. I don't know what this market's gonna try and do, guys, now. All right, so let's see if we can make some one last move, guys. We made it to the buffer now. We made it to the buffer, everybody. So we are getting pretty close to getting a daily payout. We've been targeting that, and we got it pretty close all during the stream, which is great. DBT, what up, brother? I am doing just fine. How about yourself? How's your day? Close if you drop. I've already exited my trade. I exited my trade. I'm just still looking for some kind of a tradable opportunity. I don't know if you're gonna get that though right now. How many accounts do you have? You guys can take a look at my main chart on the left hand side. There's my standings of all the accounts, right? I've got to make a little bit of update on that. Overall accounts, the number of accounts doesn't change. It's just that I think some adjustments, like take profit trader, it's got to be 3 because it's not 1 anymore. Got 3 accounts pro. Right. And I'm still looking for that payout today, so man, I swear to God, man, guys, don't ever talk to me about Tradify Cup, man. I'm so pissed. I wasted my time doing that Tradify Cup, and you guys know, man, they reset it twice. I wasted my time on something that's not truly important at all. Incredible. The whole purpose of me getting into that Tradify Cup was to kind of get into the live account. I wanted to see if I can get to the live. If I can't, which I think I cannot, then I wanted to know what they're gonna do, right? Are they gonna disqualify me for not being able to go to live account, or what, right? And that's what it was really all about. And they freaking reset it twice. I don't get it, guys, man. Wasted my time for $11,000, man. Each of my resets were 11,000 bucks. Incredible. Screw that for now. So somebody can now go pound salt because I don't really care anymore. I've got better stuff to worry about right now, to be honest. But that thing really pissed me off, man. It's not a small amount. Like, it's not like I was... It was not like I was down, right? I was up like $11,000, man, on each of these freaking accounts. But anyways, whatever. 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 The worst freaking trader, day trader ever. Right? The worst day trader. All right, guys, what a nice little pierce through this support level, guys. 930 here, looking pretty good. So I don't know, man. All right, let me just try to regroup, reset myself. Now we are pretty, like, I've got two accounts pretty close to above buffer right now, right? So but overall, nice trades, guys. I mean, we had a pretty good day last night. We had a pretty good day this morning. So we're starting to show some consistency, right? And of course, I mean, this is obviously where we want to be throughout the entire duration of the month. But I think the really nice thing is when you get racked on one or two accounts, you're still coming back stronger, right? And if you're able to do that, I think you're proving yourself. And that's what it is, right? I mean, one bad account, if it keeps racking you again and again every day, and that's a big problem, right? But you get blown on one account and you come back stronger. That's really truly what it's all about in this journey, right? All right, guys, I'm looking for I don't know, right now it's gonna be hard for me to kind of go long or short. I'm waiting. I'm kind of neutral. Guys, man, this is so bad.
Yet again, but this time we are here for a Ninja Trader meetup with the live stream network
guys.
of Ninja Trader.
What the heck is happening here right now? Ninja Trader, StockTiger is not invited, guys.
We are back in Florida yet again, but this time we are here.
Oh my God, they play golf, dude.
What's not to what?
Oh, don't worry. If you ever see a red
I'm a
ball
scratch
in
golfer,
the lake,
man.
that is definitely me.
All right, guys, let's see.
Order filled.
I want to try and scale into my long position now again. Let's see, guys. Actually, you know what? No, I'm gonna exit this trade.
Order filled.
I lied. I don't like this setup, guys. I don't like it right now. I want to try and short this bad boy.
Order filled.
And I will, I'm gonna, oh, sorry, 1 second, guys, 1 minute. My hard stop here is gonna be here in this range.
Order filled.
Let's try to see if I can get above the buffer now. Oh my god. My hard stop somewhere in that 918, guys.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
I guess I'm down to 1 now. I exited that trade, guys. I exited that trade. Well, now I'm above the buffer, guys. Whew. Yeah, $4,500 right there now. And now let's try to see if we can actually make some good trades. A trade a cat? Yeah. Good luck, brother. You can do it for sure. Okay, we're hitting that VWAP. Let's see, guys, if we hold this area or not, right? This is going to be a huge level now. We're pretty oversold, extended to the downside, so... What a nice call there. I went long and I said, okay, you know what? I made a mistake. I'm going to exit and I'm going to try and go short. And the reason why I did that was because we, first of all, we kind of broke out of this trend line. That's number one, right? And we that's a very important level that we kind of held and respected. And on top of that, we have a little bit of a bearish head and shoulders kind of playing out as well. And you guys know how much I love the head and shoulders pattern. It's not a clean setup, but it almost right here, right? And that's what I was kind of going, okay, well, I do feel this could break down. Anyways, guys, we are getting a little bounce back up again. Yeah, not looking that good right now. I may try to short on a pop here, guys. Watch and see now. We're trying to get above this VWAP. Stay patient, StockTiger. So I'm gonna be looking for, you know, a couple $100, man. I've already made too many. Even though it's not really a payout, it's just a buffer that I've kind of accumulated. But I'm gonna look for still a couple $100 if I can, maybe a couple $100 if I can, guys. We really worked hard today to get this freaking account to above buffer in one single day. And guess what? Not mini contracts. It's all micro. It's all micro across so many trades, right? We're not like full porting at all. But we did a lot of trades. And each trade were like probably like $500 to $800. And those trades that we've made, all green, all adds up, right? If you have 6-7 greens and those are all $500, do the math. We are over $4,500. Yeah, I don't think I wanna try and long right here. Even though it almost kind of looked like we are pretty oversold. It's never oversold, right? It's never, nothing is oversold. All right, so far we are kind of chopping in this range, so Let's try to be a little patient. We're having a slow little grind to the downside, guys. We could not hold that level 965. As a result, we got to pull back, and now everything's just looking very bearish, right? So I'm gonna look for a little bounce, and then maybe, oh guys, man, we are pulling back here. All right. We're only down like a little less than 1.5%, guys. It's not as bad. Wow, guys, look at that bounce. Yeah, I don't think I can short this bad boy right now. All of a sudden, it's looking a lot more bullish. Oh my god, you gotta be kidding, guys. Oh, I missed that move, damn it. Which is fine. Well, not really, it's not fine, but I'm just saying it's fine, but yeah, I've got a payout coming from Tradify today. Tradify, baby. You heard me right, Tradify. Tradify payout incoming here today, and I still have to trade for a few more days on my top step accounts.
Order filled. Order filled.
I guess I went short now. Let's see. Oh my god, I think that's a mistake. There I guess I exited that trade. I'm back down to below buffer.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
I went long here, guys. We'll see now. Let's see if we can break out right here. We know the drill. My exit here will be probably right underneath the VWAP. I really do want to get this thing, see this thing get up back again into the 930s. We have a chance of doing that right now. We'll see. It does look like this market really truly wants to get a bounce, so I'm gonna hold on to this. I'm gonna believe in this, and I'm gonna wait for a nice little push if we get. All right, guys, we are getting the push here right now. Let's see if we hold though. Let's see if we hold though, guys. Let's see if we hold this area now. All right,
order
there
filled.
We go.
Order
down
filled.
to 3 now, baby. I've got 3 contracts. I'm gonna hold this, guys. My stop here, right underneath my entry, guys. Guys and girls, everybody, watch this thing go now. Taking one off the table right now, guys.
Order filled.
Oh man, what a nice trade. Holy mochaccino. I can't believe it myself. I had no red trades today. No red trades, StockTiger. What the hell's going on with you? StockTiger, what is up with you? That guy's
Order
down.
filled.
All right, guys, we're pulling back here. I'm still holding one last piece. We'll leave my hard stop here in 920 area. So, well, we were talking about a few $100s of payout. I guess I kind of got it here. 150 bucks, I guess. It definitely pays for my coffee, guys, by the way. I've got my last piece. Not bad, not bad. I mean, not a bad trade, right, guys? I think so. I'll take it. Right, yeah. Final take profit right in 940, 950. I guess I'm just, just one contract, right? Not the end of the world, really. All right, there you go, guys. I took my final take profit on this account. Wow, I'm above the buffer now. Wow, guys. It took us all morning since the live streaming to get to where we wanted, to get to where we needed. All right, let's see now. Let's see if you get a pullback here. I still think the pullback could be a viable opportunity, but we're gonna have to wait and see. I was trying to go long right in that 900 area. I'm far from rich. Yeah, I've got a trade. Yeah, I made $1,300 on this funded account today on that dump. Was it today or I maybe it was overnight? I'm not sure. I think it was this morning. I'm not sure. I can't remember, but I made these trades. These are all funded accounts and they're looking pretty good on the funded next. Maybe I'll trade for a few more days and look to see. I'm gonna go take a look and see what their payout policy. These are all legacy accounts, so. And I traded all my Apex accounts as well. Anyways, guys, let's go back to wow, we are getting a bounce right now. How did I do? I did okay. I mean, I don't really have a major home run trades, to be honest. It does look like it's a home run trade on this one account that I have here with me, but quite honestly, this is not a home run trade because I made a lot of trades on this account, right? I think I probably traded like 10-15 times on this account, and it was just really $500 to $700 of profit on each of my trades that I made. Well, I would say they're kind of like $300 to $600, right? So, and they all added up. All my trades that I've been doing this morning, it all added up. Have you ever traded prop shop? No, I've never traded prop shop, and I'll never be interested in that until it's proven to meet all the criteria as a legit firm. And it's also really new prop shop. I think there was like 6 months ago somebody mentioned on our Discord. I don't know who it was. Somebody said he's gonna give it a try and then let me know how it is. But again, I think prop shop is there to kind of kill Apex. I think that's what it is. But it's still I don't know, man. We got too many good firms, right? I mean, what's the point in trying to get into I mean, funding tick itself is fairly new, right? Probably I would go with funding ticks all day compared to prop shop, whatever it's called. But that's a you can't just because I don't know, man. I didn't realize who's promoting prop shop, but I think that's who knows? I have no idea. But me personally, I don't like it. I checked out their website too, but I would never go to prop shop. Yeah, I've got a lot of firms I'm trading. As you guys can see on my left hand side on the chart, that's all the accounts that I have across the firms, right? And how many are those? That's actually quite a lot if you just think about it from a grand scheme of things. Right, I've got 9 firms, and that doesn't include a few others I'm kind of working on right now. Yeah, I think it's pointless. Don't waste your time in prop shop. I mean, I wouldn't waste my time. I don't know about you guys, but yeah. Yeah, I think take profit trade is definitely by far the better one. I mean, you know, everyone's good. You know, the Billinox is good, Tradify, Lucid, Funding Ticks, Funded Next. Even Funded Futures Network is actually pretty good too. They just they have the BOGO deal right now that's gonna get you 1 free account when you buy when you pay for your activation. Sorry, not the activation. When you pay for a subscription, it's 1+1, right? So they get you a free account with it. Intraday 30% is designed for you to get denied your payout. That's somewhat true. Justin Wright is pretty close to you prefer prop shop than Apex. Said I could not hedge long and short after they said I could. Yeah, someone make 1 mil with 4 take profit trader pro last few days. That's true too. That's true. All right, guys, we are getting a bounce. I want to see if I can actually at least make $500 so I can request a $500 payout today. Alongside that, I've got Tradify, $1,500 I'm going to request today as well. And then Apex, I don't know. I think I'm still missing a few days on Apex accounts. The Apex is actually a big one. I'm going to be making like $10,000 request today. Maybe if my days are all there. Maybe not. You know, I'm maybe kind of missing a day or two. So if I'm able to request a payout $10,000 for Apex across 4 accounts, if not today, maybe early next week, and if I get denied, I'm totally okay because I can. Now I know all I have to do is trade for $50 every day for 8 days, right? And that still falls within November. And really, all I'm looking for from Apex is $10,000 and nothing more than that, right? As you guys can see on my chart on the left hand side, I said November target. I've got a take profit trader. Hold on 1 second, guys. Did something get filled? Why did they log me out, man? Piss me off. All right. My funded features. Yeah, I have a huge problem with my funded features. I don't want to talk about it, but anyways, someone making 1 mil with 4 take profit trader. Yeah, I mean, I certainly could do it, right? With the Pro Plus account, I guess that Alfred trades all day with the Pro Plus accounts. Austin M13 ProShop said they could not hedge long and short. Oh well. All right, guys. I wonder what this market's gonna do. I think we are getting a slow little squeeze here. I may call it here, guys. I do not want to. Maybe this could be the time for me to kind of like step back and not trade anymore for today and just walk away. Because if I start to trade again, I kind of feel like I am gonna get into a, you know, bit of a mess, if you will. because this market kind of makes you to do that, right? It's kind of squeezed, but then we also right at the top, so it's going to be really hard to kind of go long and short right here at this level. We got the VWAP on a 1 hour chart sitting in that 965 area, and we are right there right now. So something's got to break. Either we break it to the upside or we break it down, right? Something's got to happen. And I wonder what it's going to be. So far we got 3 bullish candle on a 1 hour chart. Obviously that doesn't mean that it's bullish, right? But that could be a nice little reversal pattern. But we're also hitting a resistance in that trend line pivot here. We are right there now. So this could be a huge area, right? The bulls and the bears will have to now start battling out what this market really wants to do. We are at a very, very important pivotal area here right now. And I wonder where this market's gonna go, to be honest. Right from here, this is a huge one, right? This is a huge area of interest, and I'm not sure what this market's gonna do. Maybe the initial response could be a pullback before we get a bounce, maybe. I don't know. I'm kind of a little late to the party. I'm a little late now. Yeah, I'm a little late. It's hard to long and short both. Very difficult level now. I guess it's the lunch hour, so very interesting. Yeah. Oh, we are piercing through, guys. Looks like this market wants to get up. Looks like it for now.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Alright guys, I went long.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Alright guys, I'm down to 3 contracts now. Alright guys, I'm up. How much is this again, man? Just $200? Oh my god. I still need like a few $100s, man. Hey, let me take a payout. $500, at least $500. Nothing less than that. Maybe I'm asking for too much, I guess. Oh my god, look at that pullback now. Incredible. Yeah, I'll try to exit my trade. Yeah, I'm gonna exit this trade very quickly on a pop here if you get. Oh my god, we are getting a pullback. Oh dear.
Order filled.
Oh my god.
Order filled. Order filled.
All right, guys, I'm gonna hold this 3 contracts probably up until this zone. I may move the stop. I don't know. We'll see. Because I may try to add right on the pullback here down again. So, oh my god, guys, look at this mochaccino pullback. Alright, guys, I'm gonna exit that trade.
Order
I
filled.
don't like that at all, man. Damn it. I don't like it at all, man, guys. I exited that trade. Oh well. Oh my god. Oh my god. We are getting a bounce. But I mean, I think it's a good thing that I exited my trade, to be honest. I may have to give up on the daily payout, guys. I may not want to force myself today. But at least we done a good job to get to there, right? So, oh well. I think we could pierce through this, guys, man. I think a lot of the bears are kind of like stuck in this trade. Yeah, man. I think Trader Cat, I think you're absolutely right on this. You're probably spot on this. But again, this market has been really wild, right? A lot of stuff can happen now. I'll be honest, man. We could just really get like 50 points down for all you know. I wouldn't be surprised if we did something like that. Absolutely. It's yeah, it's not easy, guys, man. I'm definitely starting to not feel very comfortable trading these right now, to be honest. I may want to move on. I don't know. Yeah, exactly. That's the problem. This thing could actually end up blowing an account, like right now. Anybody looking for payouts, and it's like, okay, well, let me just try to look for this 10 points, and then you try to get in, and it's like, whoo, goes against you, right? And then you're out. You're actually out of your trades. Look, if you went long here, and look at what it's doing now. But now if you try to short, just because we are now kind of underneath the, well, not underneath, but let's say we got a rejection of that 950, there was a heavy level of resistance, then you're also making a mistake, because this thing could literally just get a bounce off this level now and pierce through this 950 that we kept getting rejection off from, right? So a lot of bad things can actually happen right now. This is probably the time to kind of like walk away. I really have to be careful in everything that I try to do from here on, because I don't want to. The last thing you want to do is like you work so hard to kind of get your accounts back up in good standing, and then like couple 1 or 2 bad trades, and then you get knocked out, right? And that's really the last thing you want to do. You guys know I've gotten knocked out even with $3,000, $4,000 of profit on those accounts. So things look pretty good, but all of a sudden this whole thing can change. the momentum can change. But like, look at this, guys. Look, if you try to short that right at that rejection there, you could have been in a little bit of a trouble. 1 hour chart looking solid, guys, for a bounce, but the tough part to kind of go long right now is that it's, at least right now, it feels like it's very limited to the upside, right? And that's the thing. So what is the risk reward here? Are we gonna get back all the way back into the 125,150? Is that what it is? Right? If that is the case, if you truly believe that's what it's gonna do, then yeah, it kind of makes sense to go long right now. But the risk reward is not there. We got a lot of resistance to kind of get through past this level 970. So it's not gonna be. Maybe we kind of chop throughout the rest of the day. Maybe is what this market is gonna try and do as well. So we'll see. If you want, save the payout for next week. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do, Alfred. Yeah, thanks for letting me know, man. I appreciate it, brother. Yeah, trade a cat. Yeah, I agree. Absolutely, man. Captain Price, if you want market to bury you, gotta sell. If not, you can just watch. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, look at that fucking pullback, me, Jesus. All right, guys. Now, I wanna show this, like, but this thing could actually also pierce through this now again, right? That's I don't know, man. It's really tough to. It's really tough. Should I take a risk here, guys?
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
I'm just too micro, man. Too micro. Let me at least be able to take like $200, man, of payout. At least I'm gonna call it a payout. A massive payout, $200.
Order filled.
I like it to the upside here, man. I want to add, but I'm just like, oh no, you better not do that, StockTiger. I like to do this trade,
Order
guys.
filled.
I'm just above $4,700, so why am I so nervous? I have no idea. This is getting incredibly difficult to trade, this price action right now, guys. You know, I think I better go away. I'll probably come back next week, guys. I've been live for how many hours now? I don't know. Let's take a look and see how many hours. Guys, don't forget to smack the like, guys, if you guys want to support the stream. What I've been streaming for now. I wonder how many hours. I've been live for like 3 hours now. Holy mochaccino. That's a lot of hours. I hope you guys had a lot of fun here with me. If not, I'm sorry. Yeah, I've been live for 3 hours. And luckily we had no red trades. No red trades for 3 hours. And I've been trading so much. I think it's not a bad idea to kind of walk away. And we are getting a bounce and I'm pissed. I cannot allow the market to go without me. ES is all the way back near the opening range. Wow, we're in that chop zone though. Like, you know what I mean? We're hitting that ceiling now on the ES, sorry, not ES, the NQ. Getting a bounce into the 970. Yeah, overall, I'm very happy with the way I traded today. Right, I'm very happy with the way I traded. I managed my risk pretty nicely, and we, you know, made a lot of great trades, man. It sounds easy to just make trades, but it's a lot of pressure, especially when you're trading live in front of fellow traders. All right, it's kind of chopping right now. I don't think I want to do anything with this market for now. I'm gonna walk away, guys. Thank you so much, all of you, for being here today with me this morning. New York trade, guys. New York session is always fun. Number one, the biggest and the largest trading session. It's always amazing, and it's always my honor to be able to trade live in front of my fellow traders in the morning. Right? We'll see if we can come back next week again. I'll see you guys on a Sunday night, right at 5 p.m. Eastern time. We'll try to rock and roll, beat the market, crush the market on Sunday night, right here, 5 p.m. Eastern time. Everybody have a great rest of the day. Have a great weekend if I don't get a chance to talk to you guys. Thank you so much. Love you guys. Take care and peace.